Do you remember that we published a Xiaomi 100W charging standard? If you haven't, you can click the right corner to check it out. And today we will tear down its previous generation 80W. The packaging is still black. 80W is the maximum wireless charging power, and it has a 100W charger inside. Turn to back, model is MDY-13-ED. It can support input of 5 to 20 volts 6A and output of 80W. Then unbox it. We can see the charger stand, cable, and 120W charger. The customized cables support up to 6A current, and the maximum input voltage is 20 volts. Use Charger Lab PowerZ KT002 to test it with the cable inside. It supports Samsung 5V 2A DCP protocol and QC2 and 3 PD3 fast charging protocol. It also has 4 fixed PDLs of 5V 3A, 9V 3A, 15V 3A, 20V 3.25A. So it can charge your laptop with 65 watts. This charger adopts a cell-shaped design. The surface is matted and pure white. The base is composed of transparent acrylic. The button is the air outlet. Put your mobile phone on it and the built-in fan will start to take the heat away during charging. The shallow groove can effectively prevent the phone from sliding down. The LED indicator and USB-C port are on the back. The LED indicator lights up green after plugged in. From the side, it has certain slope which can firmly support the phone. The button is the air outlet, and the rubber pad can fix the charger on your table. The Qi certification is in here. Then let's find some mobile phones to test. I have to say, this charger might be only perfectly compatible with Xiaomi or Mi mobile phones. For the rest of the phones, the power will drop to 7 watts. Then let's go ahead and tear it down. Remove the rubber pad and screws. Then we can separate the button and take out the charging module. The module looks like a triangle from the side. The charging coils are placed on the front and back sides. The PCB is fixed with screws, and the coils are fixed with double-sided tape. Then remove the screws at the bottom. We can see the cooling fan is fixed by screws as well. This charger is composed of PCB, coils, and cooling fan. There are multiple controllers, MOSFETs, and Bluetooth antennas on the front of the PCB. And the alloy buck boost inductor, filter solid capacitors, and ampere resonant capacitors are on the back. The USB-C receptacle port is welded in here. The specification of input filter capacitor is 35 volts, 100 microfarad. The master control chip is in the middle, which comes from NuVolta NU1513. This highly integrated digital controller can provide stable power and be used for a 30 watts wireless charging transmitter that complies with the WPC EPP standard. It can form a simple, high-performance and cost-effective wireless charging transmission solution with NuVolta NU1028. Those 4 chips are NuVolta NU1028. 2 of them are connected in parallel to drive 1 coil. It also integrates driver, step-down circuit, and voltage regulator circuit. And it supports lossless high-precision current detection. And 2 sets of ampere resonant capacitors are at the bottom. There are 2 transmitting coils on the front side, and the thermistor is in the middle of each coil used to detect temperature. The interface protection transistor comes from Vanguard VS3510AE, with standard voltage is 30 volts. The input protocol chip comes from Infineon CYPD3171, supporting QC4, Apple 2.4a, AFC, BC 1.2, etc. It can dynamically adjust the output voltage of adapter to meet the needs of wireless charging. This is buck boost controller Southchip SC8701. It can precisely adjust the output voltage based on different mobile phones. Those 4 external MOSFETs come from Vanguard VS8601GE, which are used for voltage conversion. With standard voltage, it's 65 volts. This is 6R8 alloy buck boost inductor fixed by red glue. Those 4 filter capacitors are 35 volts, 47 microfarad. Here is the step-down converter Silergy SY8201. And the 6R8 step-down inductor is next to it. Those 2 filter capacitors are 35 volts, 47 microfarad. The Bluetooth MCU is responsible for the cooling fan, indicator light, and connection with phone. Here is the rain sound Bluetooth antenna, and the LED indicator is next to it. You can easily unplug the cooling fan, and the rated input of the fan is 5 volts, 0.4 amp. Well, that will be all for the teardown of Xiaomi 80W wireless charging stand. If you're a Xiaomi user, you'll get the super fast charging speed with 120 watts charger and this charging stand. But for those non-Xiaomi users, we won't recommend you to buy it, cause 7 watts really sucks. Okay, that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to drop a like, leave your comments, and subscribe to us. See you in the next video. Bye!